today's video I'll be reviewing the iconic professional Tom curler. So this is basically my quick fix whenever I don't know what to do with my hair. I quickly take this out, I heat it up and मैं curls करती हूँ अपने बालों पे. इससे आप loose curl, tight curls, काफी type के curls कर सकते हो. And this is actually the basic curler to go for beginners because इसमें खाली एक wand आता है. इसमें कोई भी clip नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. There's basically a wand and you have to wrap your hair around and बहुत quickly curls आ जाते हैं. Literally 5 minutes में my hair is done. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So सबसे पहले the variant of this curler is CNT25 and this retails for ₹3250 and right now it's on 15% sale on Nykaa, so it's available for 2763. So फटाफट मैं इसे demonstrate करती हूँ कि कैसे ये use करते हैं. So basically I've switched on the power button and आप देख सकते हो कि ये जो temperature है वो fluctuate हो रहा है. I don't know if you can see. So basically इसमें automatically temperature fluctuate होता है. I've just started on the power button and ये automatically 170-180 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे है. आप इसे ऊपर नीचे भी कर सकते हो. Maximum temperature is around 210 डिग्री सेल्सियस, but ये automatically heat up होता रहता है, इसलिए I don't really manage the temperature. ये खुद से हो जाता है. So I'm going to keep it for around a minute and then we'll start. Okay, so first we'll start with this side of the hair. So I'm just combing it. And फिर हम एक पोर्शन लेंगे. So right now we'll take this portion. And जो भी पोर्शन से आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, just quickly comb it and take really small portions. So yeah. हमारे जो कर्ल्स होंगे वो मैं खाली नीचे नीचे से करूँगी. So I'll be just taking like this portion of my hair and we'll get started. So ये hot हो चुका है. Now what I'll be doing is मैं इसे ऐसे रखूंगी and then I'll start wrapping my hair. Now wrap करने के बाद I'll be keeping it for around 5 seconds and फिर मैं इसे छोड़ दूंगी. You can see. मुझे खाली नीचे से करना है तो मैं इतना पोर्शन कर रही हूँ. अगर आपको पूरा हेयर करना है so you have to take that entire hair and you have to wrap it around.
So if you guys want beachy waves then you must curl your hair on the thicker end of the curling iron. अगर आप मेरी तरह thinner end पे करोगे so you will achieve smaller and tighter curls which later I will brush them out so that I get beachy waves.
Okay, so I am done with this side and I hope you guys can see a difference. This side is looking completely straight and बिल्कुल volume नहीं है and इस side पे काफी volume आ गया है. It looks really nice. ऐसे beachy waves है. It's not like proper curls but it's looking nice and wavy and this is the kind of hair that I like. Also I'm not a professional. I'm a beginner. मैं खुद इस product को अभी use करना बस start कर रही हूँ. It's been 6 months that I'm using this product and I like my hair like this. I don't like those uptight curls. वो मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. So if you are someone like me who likes this kind of hair, beachy wave curls पसंद है and आपको आपके पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि you can sit down और आप every strand को curl करो. So this is the perfect product that you can go for and I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side and then I'll see you guys. Okay, so I'm done with my hair and I'll be sharing 5 tips with you guys that you can use to efficiently curl your hair and even do it faster. The very first tip is कि जब आपका rod गर्म हो जाता है, you always have to keep it far from your face and hair because you don't want to burn your face. So जैसे कि ये rod काफी गर्म है तो अगर मुझे ये stand को curl करना है, I'm going to take this strand and I'm going to keep it far and फिर मैं rod लाऊंगी and then I'll start wrapping it around my hair and do not do it आपके face के एकदम पास because you never know थोड़ा सा भी अगर ये आपके stick हो जाएगा face से then your face will burn. So always and always keep it far. अगर आपको ये stand भी करना है जो सबसे छोटा stand होता है उसे भी आप थोड़ा सा दूर लेके आइए and now you can wrap it around and then you can curl your hair. The second tip is that do not leave your hair on the rod for more than 15 seconds. If you're counting really fast, you can keep it for 15 seconds. अगर आप slow count कर रहे हो तो minimum आप 10 seconds के लिए रखिए and then you have to keep your hair loose एंड 10 से 15 सेकेंड में जो है हेयर कर्ल हो जाते हैं। उससे ज़्यादा अगर आप रखोगे तो चांसेस है कि आपके हेयर बर्न हो जाए। सो ऑलवेज कीप दिस इन माइंड। Okay, so the third tip is that before you do any kind of styling on your hair, या आप straighten कर रहे हो या आप curl कर रहे हो, उससे पहले you must apply a hair protectant spray on your hair. Because of the heat, there are chances that you are damaging your hair. स्पेशली अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा कर्ल करते हो या बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेटन करते हो, सो ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज अप्लाई अ हीट प्रोटेक्टेंट स्प्रे बिफोर यू स्टार्ट एनी ऑफ दीज अप्लायंसेज। एंड काफ़ी ज़्यादा हीट प्रोटेक्टेंट स्प्रेज अवेलेबल है मार्केट पे, सो आई विल बी लिंकिंग इट डाउन बिलो। एंड अगर आप मेरी तरह बहुत ज़्यादा कम बार करते हो, लाइक आई डू इट लाइक लिटरली वंस अ मंथ, देन यू कैन काइंड ऑफ स्किप इट। बट अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपके जो कर्ल्स हैं वो काफ़ी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रहे, तो भी आप थोड़ा सा स्प्रे कर सकते हो, बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स द कर्ल्स टू स्टे फॉर लॉन्गर। The fourth tip is if you like loose curls and beachy wave curls, आपको पसंद है like me, so after you're done curling your hair, always take a brush or a comb and then just lightly brush your hair. तो इससे जो आपके curls है वो काफी ज्यादा loose and fluffy हो जाएंगे। Now you can see कि जो मेरे hair का volume है वो ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है and it looks quite nice. So this was my fourth tip for you guys. My last tip for you guys is that before you start curling, make sure that your hair is completely dry. So today also I had washed my hair and you have to make sure that it's not even 5% wet. आप या तो blow dry कर लीजिए, but your hair should be completely dry before you start curling it out, because there are chances कि अगर थोड़े से भी damp होते हैं आपके बाल, it will damage your hair. So yeah, this is one tip that you must follow, that you must ensure that your hair is completely dry before you start curling or straightening them out. With this, I'm done with this video, guys. If you guys like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, and for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I shall see you guys very soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.